everyone. I'm sorry I'm not so available on YouTube like so many other teachers and institutes because I'm single handedly running a crash course of close to 500 students who've trusted me and have believed in me and are coming to my app for the crash course every single day. And because they've showed so much trust and because we're having such an amazing time, in fact, more we are studying, but more than that, students are also healing in my crash course from all the trauma that they have undergone in the last 2 3 years with so many coaching institutes and teachers. So there are three things which are going to be forever free to everybody who ever joins any of my paid classes or batches on the app or on the web. And that is going to be number one, a lifetime access to the community that we are forming. You won't believe, बच्चों ने मुझे बोला कि ए इंस्टीट्यूट में पीवी इंस्टीट्यूट्स में बच्चों में कंपटीशन होता है पर बहुत अनहेल्दी और टॉक्सिक होता है मैम यहाँ का कंपटीशन फील्स लाइक अ रियल क्लास सो वी हैव अ कम्युनिटी ऑन द ऐप एंड all the students जिन्होंने अगर सिर्फ 500 रुपए का भी कोर्स लिया है will have lifetime access to that community. So imagine आप कॉलेज में जा रहे हो and you have a community जहाँ पर कोई बच्चा किसी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा है, कोई कहीं पढ़ रहा है, कोई एम्स में है या कोई जीएमसी में या कोई बीएससी कर रहा है, कोई alternate medicine के courses कर रहा है, and there is a very healthy community. You have friend in nearly every city of the country. So you will have lifetime access to that super amazing community that we are forming. Number two, buying a course or studying from me is not the end of our association or relationship. In fact, it is the beginning of our relationship. मुझे हमेशा लगता है that I really want to do something जो मेरे लिए नहीं हुआ है. I didn't have teachers who were supportive. I didn't have teachers who were encouraging. I did not really have teachers who were like, Vani, you've got it, you can nail it, you can do it. So बहुत बार हमारी जनरेशन को लाइफ में अपने आप चीजें फिगर आउट करनी पड़ी. But I always wanted to mentor students for the bigger battles of life, which are non-academic. For example, book reading clubs. For example, how do you upskill yourself? How do you psychologically become a better person? How do you find internships? How do you write a LinkedIn profile? So our relationship doesn't end. And I feel for once, I'm a very famous person on LinkedIn. I read a lot, I travel a lot, and there is so much more that I want to counsel students for. The bigger things of life, about earning money, about investing money properly, about teenage issues and about, early adolescent issues, about the right internships, jobs. So we will have these mentorship sessions, which will continue forever and ever. And number three, I also am very, very encouraging. In fact, my entire team is all my old Biotonians and all my old students. So there is something which I feel very strongly, and that is that everybody should become financially independent very soon. So we will have upskilling classes. We will have these courses where I'll get some really cool, fascinating people on English speaking, on psychology, and they will run these classes and courses ताकि जो हमारे cohorts बनते जाएंगे वो continuously अपने आप को upskill कर सके. How to YouTube, how to Instagram, how to become a better person, how to have products, courses, how to productize yourself on economics, micro, macro, so much. So I never thought that one ticket of crash course will lead to so much. So class 11th, class 12th, अगर आप ये videos देख रहे हो, please think twice, thrice before joining any Tom and Harry Institute and wait for my super amazing batches to be launched. And students who are already a part of it, I can't wait for your exams. जल्दी से खत्म हो so that all these super awesome things can also start rolling. Love and only love and gratitude to everybody who supported me in making the person that I am today and helping me build Dr. Vani's NEET Excellence. It is for the students of this country. Love and only love your way. Bye.